Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall skilla. Wow, my people. Dancehall skilla there again with some more things to talk to you about. And I have videos that I'm going to present to you. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone are right. You see? Alright, now first things first. I am going to present a video to you that had been recorded within the country that is known as Jamaica. I don't have any confirmed information as to when the video had been recorded. The video shows the scene of a motor vehicle accident where it is said that a motor vehicle overturned. I also got the understanding that the driver of the motor vehicle survived the incident, viewers and subscribers, and I didn't get any confirmed information if the driver got any injury as a result of the motor vehicle accident. I did not get any confirmed information if anyone at all got injured as a result of the motor vehicle accident. You see? So I got information that the driver of the motor vehicle somehow lost the control of the motor vehicle and the motor vehicle overturned. Now I did not get any confirmed information as to what could have caused for the driver to lose control of the motor vehicle. That's what I'm saying to you. But anyways, I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at the video for yourself and you can also let me know what you think. One of the reasons why I am presenting this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media, and in my point of view, I think it is amazing that the driver of the motor vehicle was able to survive such an incident. God is good. You see me I say? Now, before I present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, I want you to please bear in mind that the video shows a motor vehicle that overturned and wheels of the motor vehicle was off the ground. The video shows a certain number of civilians, and the video also shows at least one police officer. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and you can also tell me what you think.
Look like a crawl out on a mud man. Say chuck run out of breath. You could not worry about any alright on live, mama.
If I drive again, you're not going to live the next time. Say it to you can't tell him all that, but you can't tell him all that. No, what I'm saying, no, what I'm saying, no. Well, you know, you can't tell him all the next time. No, then you're not going to work, sir. So that I give them a chance. Yes, that's how I love it.
Dog on team papers, the man. You know what I think? If a man crawl out, a man.
It's really amazing to know that the driver for that motor vehicle survived that motor vehicle accident. God good. See, some people have said God good. I tell them people. You see it. So, let me know what you think about that video, viewers and subscribers. And I want to say this to each and every motorist out there. Drive safely and be careful on the road. So may I say, I know that sometimes certain things happen that might be out of your control, but I still give the best advice that I can, alright? And with that, I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I got information that a man's dismembered body was found at Cotton Piece, Uwerton, St. Catherine, Jamaica, along a railroad track on Saturday morning, the 2nd of July, the year 2022. It is said that the torso and several body parts of the man were found along the railroad track in Cotton Piece, Uwerton, St. Catherine, Jamaica on the 2nd of July, the year 2022. According to information that I got, it is said that some residents within the area believe that the man might have been hit by the train. However, it is said that the police were unable to confirm if the man had been hit by the train and that they are doing their investigations. See? Now, according to more information that I got, it is said that the man had been identified by a man who goes by the last name of Brown. And according to at least one news article that I read, it is said that the man is said to be 50-year-old. It is said that the man was last seen at an event that had been held somewhere within the parish of St. Catherine, that's within the country of Jamaica, and that the man left the event sometime before or after 12 a.m. and the dismembered body was found sometime before or after 5 a.m. on the 2nd of July, the year 2022. Now, viewers and subscribers, I got more than one unconfirmed information about this whole situation. In my point of view, these information can be considered as allegations and assumptions. That's what I'm saying to you. However, according to one unconfirmed information that I got, it is said that some residents within the area believe that the man is a heavy drinker and that the man might have fell asleep on the railroad track. And according to another unconfirmed information that I got, it is said that some residents believe that the man might have been killed elsewhere and the body had been put on the railroad track. Other allegations have been made about this whole situation, viewers and subscribers. However, the police within the country of Jamaica said that they are awaiting post-mortem and other investigations before declaring a possible cause of the man's death. You understand, the viewers and subscribers? And I also saw pictures circulating in certain places on social media that shows those body parts, viewers and subscribers. And in my point of view, I think the whole situation is sad, is what I'm saying to you. However, I'm just giving you information according to how I got information, viewers and subscribers. And with that, I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a man. And in my point of view, the man made at least one valid point in this video. I think it is best that you, my viewers and subscribers, listen to the things that the man said in this video for yourself. And you can also let me know what you think. You can tell me if you agree or if you disagree with the things that this man said in the video that I'm about to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? Anyways, here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
Yeah. You know, I just coming from work a while ago. I may tell you God Almighty truth. I want to know when. When is it that mankind are going to start show the slightest of regard to another one's life?
Yeah.
When is it we are going to realize that each and every one of us have our own 6 o'clock?
Listen.
When we are going to understand, say, I know every time we have our family them round with. You understand me? And the day when your family are there around you, we are going to depend on somebody.
Listen good.
Help.
Just listen.
Our family out the road in any circumstance.
Just listen.
Unfortunate events they arrive. I come in from work a while ago. You know, me and the driver alone in the cab, you know. And I want to tell you, say, a little place them called Bucktown off Ensom Boulevard there, so. The first me ever see traffic pile up this evening time. That normally happen. I want to look, I see about 15 to 20 car. I want to look further up, I see a little object in the road. I want to look to my left, I see a pro box. I say driver walk on, I say, you know, says a man ride out for me. When I'm looking at the side of the pro box, the glass at the back there, so, is as big as an helmet. So that's how I'm to that. I say, you know, say the man head fly right through the back of the car there, so.
Yeah.
And I say, well, then I'm not in the road. I say, yes, when I look, everybody in the taxi come out. Taxi them, you know. The 15 to 20 taxi them, you know, come out, you know. And then they look, who not take out phone and try to video some this or some that.
Yeah.
I'm going to turn to my driver. Driver, big up yourself anyway you're there. But I'm not going to call the name. I'm going to tell her, say, yo, Bridget, we have to climb the soft shoulder and go up there. And go pick up the man in the car. The whole of the man head chop out, you know. We just come in and go all a bit. The whole of the man head top chop out. And the glass cut out the whole of hand of the man neck. The man a bleed, the man in a shock, and the man lie down and people tell them take out phone and all these things and then they are record, Bridget. When we are going to realize, say, yo, Bridget, life are one we have.
That man.
And the day when time, 6 o'clock come, Bridget, we now go see 7, you know. We now go see 7. The next thing again, the driver put on them 4-way flash and we are race go back a Spanish town. I mean, I tell us, all me sit down on the side of the glass, the window. I mean, have fun. The 4-way flash and me a fan and I say people for move. The people them now have no regard to emergency. Me I tell you. But guess what? You see, any day your 6 o'clock come, remember man, you see, if I heaven or if I hell you there, believe me, I go ball. When you look at you see 7 o'clock.
Yeah.
Or when you look for see 7, you can't see 7 because you just meet your 6 o'clock. Yeah? Take it as me tell you, people with regard life. regard it as though the one we have and we show love. Yeah.
Now, my people, how can I say that this man said anything wrong in this video? Even if someone take offense to the things that the man said in the video, how can I say that the man said anything wrong? We have to respect each other's lives. See me, I say, someone get injured. Help out the person, or see if you can help the person go to a hospital, no? Something, you see me, I say. I tell you, my people, I don't know, me don't know, but you see me, and then first me hear someone talk about a situation that is somewhat similar to the things that the man said in that video. For real. See? Yeah, nothing wrong with somebody said them a go video record what's going on, but everybody so. There must be someone that will say, Jano, come. See? I don't want that to be only one person. I want that to be a lot of persons. I'm going to say, yo, I go help him. There should be more people helping than people who have video record. There should be more people helping than people who stand up and look. You see me, I say, my people? It set away, man. It really set away. So, big up to that person there. See, I'm only go by the things that the person said in the video that I just presented to you. Yeah, I'm only going by the things that he said in the video that I just presented to you. So, big up to that person. And I respect the things that when say in that video, the viewers and subscribers. So, what I like you tell me if you agree or if you disagree with the things that he said. You so me I say, Anyways, I just saw me I left it now. Big up and respect to each and every one. Have a blessed Sunday. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up, you see it.
Hey, man, you know where you watch. Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla.